In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or just looking to tidy up some old projects, this straightforward tutorial will guide you through the process to remove a board you no longer need. Let's jump right in and start organizing your Trello workspace by deleting unwanted boards. First things first, you'll need to log into your Trello account. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your web browser and visit the Trello login page. Once you're there, you'll see several options for logging in. If you typically use your Google account, click on the Login button. Following this, you'll want to select Google from the available options, then simply choose the account you'd like to use. This is a quick and convenient way to access your Trello boards, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on the browser. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the board you want to delete. From your Trello dashboard, look through your list of boards and locate the one you're intending to remove. Once you've found the board, hover your cursor over it. A few icons should appear that will offer further options for management and customization. Next, pay attention to the three dots usually referred to as the board's menu, which is visible once you hover over the board. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This action will open up a menu with several options tailored to interacting with the specific board in question. Moving forward, within this menu, you'll see an option that says Close Board. It's crucial to understand that closing a board is different from deleting it entirely, but it's a necessary step in the deletion process. Click on Close Board. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, as closing ensures you're fully ready to remove the board from active duty. After clicking Close Board, another prompt will appear asking you to confirm the closure. This is Trello's way of double checking with you before making any irreversible changes. Take a moment to ensure you're closing the correct board and then click Close. And there you have it, your board is now closed. If you ultimately decide you want the board back, Trello provides an option to reopen, but keep in mind it won't be permanently deleted until you choose to remove it from the closed board's archive. This process should simplify, keeping your project management interface clean and organized. If you're finishing projects or pruning outdated boards, staying on top of board management like this can also enhance your productivity on Trello. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching. Feel free to explore more of our videos for further tips on optimizing your digital workspace.